Hello my dear students, hope all of you have enjoyed your winter vacation to the fullest. Am I right? Yes, I know. And students, I want to wish you a very happy new year. May this year bring success and lots of happiness in your life. And in this year, I will expect that you will be more careful about your studies. Okay? So this is your promise that you will be more careful about your studies. And students, we have to remember that besides our studies, we have to do many good works. We have to help our friends, we have to help our parents in their works, in their houseworks. Okay? We have to help people. Okay? So in this year, we have to do many good works and we have to make this year happy, right? Okay. So now the vacation is end, so we have to back to our studies again. So today, students, I have made some questions and answers from Happy Birthday Mom. I hope that already you have read the text at your home. So today I will write the questions and answers on board. You also note all these questions and answers in your literature copy. Okay? Fine. So at first, at the top of your page, write Happy Birthday Mom. Like me. Happy Birthday Mom. Look, I have also written Happy Birthday Mom. Then give the date of today. Okay? Today is 5/1/21. Okay? So give the date of today and then start to write. So today's first question is whose birthday was celebrated? Whose birthday was celebrated? Whose birthday was celebrated? This is the first question of today. Whose birthday was celebrated? The answer is Mom's birthday. Mom's. M-U-M apostrophe S. M-U-M apostrophe S. Mom's birthday was celebrated. Okay? Mom's birthday was celebrated. Fine? Okay. Now, the next question. Who bought gift for Mom? Who bought B-O-U-G-H-T? Who bought gift for Mom? Who bought gift? Who bought gift for Mom? Bought means কিনে এনেছিল। ঠিক আছে? Bought means কিনে এনেছিল। So who bought gift for Mom? Who can say the answer? Who can say the answer? Very good. Pam. Very good. Pam bought gift for Mom. Okay. Who bought gift for Mom? Understand the question? Can you understand the question, students? Who bought gift for Mom? Bought means কিনে এনেছিল। So who bought gift? Now the answer is Pam bought gift for Mom. Right? Okay. Now the third question. I am removing the first question. Okay. So the third question is inverted comma, it is It is not for you. This portion will be in quotation. Okay? Between two commas. This portion will be between two inverted commas. Okay? So this portion will be in quotation. It is not for you. Then give a hyphen. Then write who said these words. Who said these words? Students, can you understand this question? It is not for you. This will be in quotation. ঠিক আছে? Who said these words? আচ্ছা, আমি বাংলায় বলছি এটা। It is not for you. এটা একটা কোটেশনের মধ্যে আছে, ঠিক আছে? এটা আমি টেক্সট থেকে নিয়েছি ডাইরেক্ট এই সেন্টেন্সটা। ওকে? এই সেন্টেন্সটা কে বলেছিল? এই সেন্টেন্সটা কে বলেছিল? কে বলেছিল ইংলিশ হচ্ছে who said these words. Who said these words? Who said these words means কে বলেছিল? এই সেন্টেন্সটা it is not for you. এই সেন্টেন্সটা কে বলেছিল? Who said these words? Answer will be Pam. Pam. Pam said these words. Understand? Very good. Okay. Now I am removing the second question. Okay. Now the fourth question is, again it will be in quotation. Who said, inverted comma, what is it? Again, I have taken this portion right now, direct from the text. এই পোর্শনটা আমি পুরো টেক্সট থেকে নিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে? What is it? এই পোর্শনটা আমি পুরো বই থেকে তুলে দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে? তো একই কোশ্চেন, who said what is it? কে বলেছিল? Who said means কে বলেছিল? Here also you can see who said these words. Same pattern. Okay? Same pattern. ঠিক আছে? So who said what is it? কে এই কথাটা বলেছিল? What is it? কে এই কথাটা বলেছিল? Answer will be team and Ben said this. Okay, students? Okay, understand? Very good. Okay. Now the fifth question. I am removing the third question. Okay. Now this is the fifth question. Fifth question is, what was in the box? What was in the box? বক্সের মধ্যে কি ছিল? ওই সারপ্রাইজ গিফটটা, gift box. So what was in the box? What means কি, and was means ছিল. So what was in the box? Understand the question? Can you understand the question? What was in the box? বক্সের মধ্যে কি ছিল? Okay? The meaning of the question is বক্সের মধ্যে কি ছিল? And again I am reading the question. What was in the box? Okay? Now the answer is A fan. Right, students? Yes. A fan was in the box. Fine. A fan was in the box. Now, this is the last question. This is the last question. 6th number question. And this is the last question from this chapter. Again, this will be in quotation. Who said, again inverted comma, is it a pen? Is it a pen? Who said this question? Who asked this question? Who said, is it a pen? কে বলেছিল? Who said means কে বলেছিল? Is it a pen? Who said this? Who said this sentence? Is it a pen? If you read the text, you can tell the answer. If who have read the text, know the answer. He or she know the answer. Very good. Ben said this. Ben said this. Okay. So students, these are the 6 questions and answers which you have to memorize. Okay. So these are the 6 questions and answers which I have made from Happy Birthday Mom from this chapter. I hope all of you have noted all of these question and answers in the literature copy. And students, if you have any problems, if you have any queries regarding this question, please feel free to call me. Okay? আমাকে ফোন করুন। আমাকে ফোন করে কোশ্চেনের যদি কোনো ডাউট থাকে আমাকে ফোন করে ক্লিয়ার করে নেবেন। Okay? If you are facing any problems regarding these questions and answers, please call me. Okay? Between your school hours. Okay? From 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay? Okay, students? That's for today. Memorize all of these questions and answers at your home. Next day, I will give some homework from these questions and answers. Okay? So, students, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you. Goodbye.